Hello everyone. In this problem, we have a squared plus b squared equals to 104 and a plus b is equals to 8. And we want to find the solution of a minus b. So, from the first term and second term, I can use it in an algebraic equation and find the solution. And the useful algebraic equation we can use here is this one: a plus b squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2a times b. And you can see from this equation and this equation, we have a squared plus b squared 104. And we have also a plus b is 8. And from here, a plus b is squared. So it will be 8 squared equals to 104 plus 2 times a b, and is 64 equals to 104 plus 2a times b. If I take this number the other side, I have to flip the sign. Therefore, 2a times b is 64 minus 104, and it's minus 40. Therefore, 2a times b is minus 40. I just keep this result and use it in the next step. The first algebraic equation I used was this one, and now I use another algebraic equation formula. That one is a minus b, because we need to find I minus b here. I use this formula I minus b squared, and it's a squared plus b squared minus 2a times b. There are a lot of mathematical formulas and identities which are very useful and helpful in our problems, in our simple problems or difficult problems. If you subscribe my channel, you can find a lot of examples using these identities and these formulas, and for every videos I describe it and explain it in that videos. And also I have some other short videos and other algebraic basic mathematical formulas. You can find a lot of them there and use it in our problems. And now we can continue our problem. Here, a minus b, I don't know how much is it. So I just write it, and I know a squared plus b squared from the first assumption here is 104. Therefore, this one is 104 and minus 2 times a b, which is obtained just before that, like this: 2 times a times b is minus 40. Minus 40. It's equals to 104 plus 40, because minus times minus is plus, equals to 144. A minus b squared is 144. You can use the another algebraic formulas, which I can write it here. If a squared is equals to b, then you can take the square root for the both sides, and the first one will be cancels with the square root and it's a, but you have to pay attention, because it's a power of 2. You should write plus minus square root of b. Then now we can use this formula here. Then a minus b is equal to plus minus the square root of 144, that you know radical of 144 is 12. And the result, it has two answers, 12 or minus 12. The both of them could be the answers. We don't know the value of a or b, but we know a minus b should be 12 or minus 12. Thank you for your attention.